Hi, the clients or people take services, but they don't want to pay GST. They want to avoid GST. So, what is the solution for this? Can you please take me through this?
Yes. So basically, what happens is people want everything in a legal manner. When uh, people ask questions about whether forex trading is legal or not, copy trading is legal or not, getting the accounts managed by some other entity or individual is legal or not, taking signals and trading forex is legal or not, then we definitely tell them that it is legal for you. You can trade forex directly or indirectly by taking services like copy trading or whatever service you are taking. But once you are taking services, you have to pay service tax. This is very simple thing. The cost of service is included in the final cost. So there are two situations. If you are taking service from a foreign entity, then foreign entity will add the tax. If they are exporting their services to India, then whatever taxability will be uh, provision or required, they will add. But when you are taking services in India from an Indian company and you also are an Indian citizen, then any Indian citizen who is buying product or service from any Indian company, goods or service, whatever you are buying, the service tax will be levied on the final service cost of the service, or goods tax will be levied on the final price of the goods. So whether we break it down and disclose to you or not, the fact is even if you buy a 1 rupees matchbox, GST is actually the part of that 1 rupee. The only difference there is they do not disclose what part is the actual price and what is the GST, but there also you pay the GST. So here in case of our company, if you are taking services, definitely you are taking service from an Indian company which is registered in Bangalore, and if you are an Indian citizen, there is no way we can avoid GST. Export of service is the uh, only thing in our business where people from foreign country take our services and their GST is actually waived off as per our policy of taxation. But Indian companies giving services to Indian citizens or Indian entities, service tax is mandatory. So rather than thinking of avoiding GST and hiding the payment, you should simply include that GST in the service cost and consider the entire service cost as the cost of service. For example, let's say you make 100 rupees, you want to pay 35 rupees to 25 roosters. Now, if we add 18 rupees on, sorry, 18% on 35, then this will become 35 plus 18% of 35, which will be something around 41.3 rupees. Simply consider 41.3 as the cost of service, and rest is your net profit. So 100 minus 41, around 58.7 is your net profit from the total profit whatever you make. If you simply convince yourself that 41.3% is your total service cost rather than thinking of 35%, you'll be fine. Otherwise, if you try to avoid this by taking services from any unregistered entities, they will not ask for any GST. They will not give you any tax invoice. They probably will take payments through different kind of exchangers, or maybe USDT, or maybe some other methods, maybe other crypto methods, or maybe there will be some individuals who will give you service and they will try, take payments. Those unregistered entities will tell you that they do not need GST. They will give you services almost for free. Join their Telegram channel. This service is free, and whenever they will charge very nominal amount, no taxes and no tax invoice. But what happens there? You lose your money. And then most people nowadays in our sales department say on a phone call that they are losing money, and when they see our ads, they show the same kind of suspicion on our services, that are you guys genuine or not, are you guys giving good services or not. My point, you most people have been avoiding the legal way of taking services. If you are taking services from unregistered companies or entities or individual or agents or introducing brokers or affiliates, they will not give you any tax invoice. They will not ask for GST. You will find, oh, it is so easy, let's go with it. But they are not professional people. Those are not registered entities or companies. So you eventually will end up losing money with them. But when you are coming into a systematic way of taking forex trading services, whether it is copy trading or account management, you have to accept that you have to pay the invoice, and you will get a proper service from a registered company like ours, and you will be fine. So both things are not possible. If you want to go in a proper way, legal way, and systematic way, you have to take a service from a company which is giving services with a tax invoice, and there will be no problem with you. But if you want to avoid all of these things, you will lose your big money. I've seen people losing their $1,000 because that simply just to avoid like 18 or 20 rupees or maybe 100 or 2,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees GST, they decided to take services from some unregistered agents or individuals on the internet. So what happens? On a $1,000, let's talk in the rupees. Let's say you invested 1 lakh rupees, you made a profit of 10,000 rupees, your fee was 3,000 rupees, and then you had to pay a GST of, let's say, 540 rupees. To save this 540 rupees, you decided to go and take the services from some unregistered individual or agents or affiliate. There you saved this 540 rupees, but that service was not very good, and eventually you ended up losing your entire 1 lakh rupees. So is this a very good idea to take services from unregistered entities just to save 540 rupees and eventually lose your entire 1 lakh rupees? Or either pay this 540 rupees and take a better service from a registered company like ours? This is your choice, what you want to do with your money and how you want to proceed in case of taking services. That's all in short. Thank you for watching.